An insurance claim appeal letter can become one of the most important documents in your financial and legal situation, because if your appeal is weak, unclear, unsupported, or fails to directly address the reason for denial, the insurance company may uphold the denial permanently. This could leave you personally responsible for expensive medical bills, vehicle repairs, property damage, emergency treatment costs, or other major financial losses that your insurance policy was supposed to cover. Insurance companies carefully review appeal letters to determine whether the denial was justified under the policy terms. That is why this letter must clearly explain why the claim qualifies for coverage, correct any misunderstandings, and provide strong supporting evidence. A professional and well-documented appeal can significantly improve your chances of reversing the denial decision. So, here is how to write it. Sender information is the first part of the letter, where you identify yourself. For example, Jessica Reynolds, 7428 Oakwood Drive, Phoenix, Arizona 85001, jessica.reynolds@email.com, 60255-54182. This section establishes who is submitting the insurance appeal. Make sure your contact details match your insurance policy records exactly. Date, for example, May 22, 2026. After your contact information, include the date the appeal is written. This is extremely important because insurance appeals often have strict filing deadlines. Submit your appeal as soon as possible after receiving the denial notice. Recipient information. This section identifies the insurance company department reviewing the appeal. For example, Appeals Department, Sunrise Health Insurance Group, 1550 Central Plaza, Dallas, Texas 75201. This ensures your appeal reaches the correct department. Always verify the correct appeals address listed in your denial notice. Subject line. The subject line clearly identifies the purpose of the appeal. For example, subject appeal of denied insurance claim, claim number CLM-582741. This immediately identifies the claim under review. Include the exact claim number and policy information to avoid processing delays. Salutation. This is your formal greeting. For example, Dear Claims Appeals Representative, this keeps the letter professional and respectful. Use formal language throughout the appeal. Opening paragraph. In this paragraph, you formally state that you are appealing the denied claim. For example, I am writing to formally appeal the denial of my insurance claim referenced under claim number CLM-582741, dated May 5, 2026. This immediately establishes the purpose of your letter. Here, clearly mention the denial date and claim number at the beginning. Request for reconsideration paragraph. Here, you explain why you believe the claim qualifies for coverage. For example, I respectfully believe that my claim qualifies for coverage under the terms and conditions of my policy, number POL-774920, and I request a thorough reconsideration of the decision based on the additional information and supporting documentation provided with this appeal. This establishes the basis for the appeal. For tip, remain professional and avoid emotional or aggressive language. Denial reason paragraph. This section explains the insurance company's stated reason for denial. For example, according to the denial notice, my claim was denied because the treatment was considered not medically necessary. I would like to respectfully clarify and address this determination. This helps structure the appeal around the actual denial reason. For tip, address the exact denial reason directly and specifically. Incident explanation paragraph. Here, you provide a factual explanation of the incident or claim event. For example, the incident occurred on April 18, 2026, when I was involved in a vehicle accident that resulted in significant injuries requiring emergency medical treatment. At the time of the incident, I complied fully with all reporting requirements and promptly submitted the requested documentation. This provides important context and demonstrates compliance. For tip, be detailed, factual, and organized when explaining the event. Clarification and supporting argument section. This is one of the most important parts of the appeal. Here, you explain why the claim should be approved. For example, I believe the denial may have resulted from incomplete review of the medical documentation provided. My treating physician confirmed that the treatment was medically necessary and directly related to the injuries sustained in the accident. Additionally, all treatments were performed by authorized providers within the coverage network. This directly challenges the denial reasoning. For tip, support your argument using policy terms, medical opinions, invoices, or expert documentation whenever possible. Financial hardship paragraph. This section explains the impact of the denial. For example, the financial impact of this denial has created significant hardship, particularly due to ongoing medical expenses and rehabilitation costs. I have maintained my insurance policy in good standing and relied on this coverage during a legitimate medical emergency. This helps demonstrate the seriousness of the situation. For tip, focus on factual financial impact rather than emotional pleading. Supporting documents section. This section lists the evidence attached to the appeal. For example, attached to this appeal are supporting documents for your review, including medical reports, physician statements, hospital invoices, photographs of injuries, insurance policy documents, accident report. Supporting evidence is extremely important in insurance appeals. For tip, organize all documents clearly and label them properly. Formal request for review paragraph. This is where you formally request reconsideration of the denial. For example, I respectfully request a full review of my claim and reconsideration of the denial decision based on the evidence provided. This clearly states the action you want the insurance company to take. For tip, be firm, respectful, and professional. Closing paragraph. This is your final statement before ending the appeal. For example, thank you for your time, attention, and reconsideration of my appeal. I sincerely hope for a fair and favorable resolution. This maintains professionalism and cooperation. For tip, keep the tone respectful, even if the denial has caused frustration. Sincerely and claim information. For example, sincerely, Jessica Reynolds. Policy number POL-774920. Claim number CLM-582741. Reference number REF-20944. This officially concludes the appeal and helps identify your case quickly. Here, double-check all claim and policy numbers carefully before submission. Before we wrap up, here are some very important overall tips you should always remember when writing an insurance claim appeal letter. Always read your denial notice carefully and address the exact reason for denial directly. Provide strong supporting evidence, remain factual and professional, and clearly explain why the claim qualifies under the policy terms. Most importantly, submit your appeal before the deadline and keep copies of all documents and correspondence for your records. So that's how you write an insurance claim appeal letter, step by step. As you can see, every part of this letter plays a critical role in challenging the denial decision, presenting supporting evidence, and improving your chances of receiving the coverage you are entitled to under your insurance policy. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Writing Practices, for more writing tutorials, and I'll see you guys in the next video.